your bones and joints with these 3-ingredient recipe. Turmeric, also known as curcuma longa, is a very common herb, often referred to as the queen of spices. Its main characteristics are a pepper-like aroma, sharp taste, and golden color. People across the globe use this herb in their cooking. It is also loaded with many healthy nutrients such as protein, dietary fiber, niacin, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium, calcium, copper, iron, magnesium, and zinc. Due to all these factors, turmeric is often used to treat a wide variety of health problems. There are more than 300 antioxidants as well as their nutrients in turmeric that offer many health benefits. Along with turmeric powder that is readily available in the market, you can use raw turmeric juice to reap its health benefits. According to the University of Maryland, the recommended dosage of turmeric powder is 1 to 3 grams daily. Also, the roots of the turmeric plant are used in preparing herbal medicine. Fresh, raw turmeric looks like ginger. The outer skin is brown and flesh has a deep orange color. Turmeric root has a peppery, slightly bitter flavor. Turmeric has a compound called curcumin that possesses anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This compound even works better than non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs because it inhibits multiple pro-inflammatory pathways. Hence, turmeric juice helps reduce pain and inflammation. Two common symptoms of arthritis, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis. The juice may even slow the progression of these diseases. Fresh turmeric root is available at health food stores. It is very simple to extract its juice. 1. Wash a few pieces of fresh turmeric roots thoroughly in running water and peel them. Number 2. Grind the turmeric root in the ginger to get the juice. Number 3. Collect the juice pulp and run it a couple more times. Number 4. Keep the juice in the refrigerator and use it within the next 3 days. You can use this fresh turmeric juice in your smoothies, soups, turmeric meal, or in cooking your favorite dishes. You can also extract turmeric juice by blending a few fresh turmeric roots along with a cup of water and then straining the mixture. Another option is to simply grate the fresh turmeric roots and strain its juice through a cheesecloth or a fine mesh strainer. Here is the refreshing, healthy beverage recipe using turmeric juice. Number 1. Put 1 or 2 tablespoons of fresh turmeric juice in a jug. Add the juice of 1 or 2 lemons depending on your taste. Optionally, add a little ginger juice. Add 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Add 2 cups of cold water and mix the ingredient thoroughly. Serve this drink with ice and store the excess juice in the refrigerator for a couple of days only. You can also flavor this healthy beverage with fresh mint or coriander leaves. Turmeric juice is generally safe for most people. However, some may experience stomach upset when taken in excess. It may also cause stomach ulcer. Moreover, turmeric may not be suitable for people suffering from gallstone and biliary tract obstruction. It also acts as a blood thinner. Here are some other health benefits of raw turmeric juice. Number 1. Treat Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric juice can be useful for preventing or delaying the process of Alzheimer's disease, which causes gradual memory loss. Inflammation is one of the main causes of Alzheimer's disease. In addition, regular intake of turmeric juice improves the flow of oxygen to the brain. This can also prevent or slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Prevent cancer. Raw turmeric juice is a potential treatment against cancer. The curcumin in turmeric helps the body get rid of free radicals and reduce damage to cellular membranes and DNA, which can otherwise raise your risk of cancer. Turmeric can help prevent or treat different types of cancer, include prostate, breast, lung, liver, oral, skin, or colon cancer. You can enjoy the protective anti-cancer benefits of curcumin by adding a little raw turmeric juice to water and drinking it every morning on an empty stomach. Number 3. Promote heart health. Turmeric juice also helps keep your heart functioning properly. Curcumin helps lower low density lipoprotein LDL or bad cholesterol levels. Maintaining a proper cholesterol level can prevent many cardiovascular disease. It also reduces the risk of strokes. Number 4. Heal digestive problem. In the case of indigestion, turmeric juice is surely one of the best home treatment. Turmeric stimulates the gallbladder to release bile, which aids digestion and reduce symptoms like bloating, gas, heartburn, and constipation. Moreover, turmeric juice improves digestion by increasing the body metabolic rates. Eat a small piece of raw turmeric or drink a bit of turmeric juice with water daily to prevent digestive problems. Number 5. Keep skin healthy. Turmeric juice contains antioxidants that help keep your skin healthy. It helps in the treatment of acne, eczema, psoriasis, and uneven skin pigmentation. To treat pimple and clear acne spot, apply a drop of turmeric juice on the affected area before going to bed. The next morning, rinse it off with water. To enhance complexion, add turmeric juice to your regular weekly face pack. Turmeric juice can stain your skin, but after washing the area with a cleanser and lukewarm water, the stain will come off easily. Thanks for watching.